My name is Robert Buecher. I'm responsible for ART regarding the product Ubisense in connection with our product VERPOSE. So I would like to show you how Ubisense and VERPOSE act together. We have a screwdriver which is connected with Ubisense ultra-wideband system and a camera device. And we have a task to assemble two wheel-based brake sets, and the brake sets have a region detection on the ultra-wideband tag, and we have a camera from ART put into it to detect the screw position. We do it in a real-time detection, as you can see here on that screen. So it detects the screw 1 and it assembles the screw 1 in the same set. So I go on and do 2, 3 and 4, and only with this tag I'm able now to switch over to the other position, and the other position starts in a different sequence, and if I'm in the wrong sequence it will tell me not to assemble. It says on hold, it stops my screwdriver so you avoid mistakes. That's about it for today. Thank you.